From Chittagong, Huzur, we have received this question. The questioner says, Rasul Karim sallallahu alaihi wasallam reached to Sidratul Muntaha, in the Sidratul Muntaha. What is Sidratul Muntaha? Is it any tree?
Sidratul Muntaha is not a tree. It is only a symbol of separation from Allah's Tanzih Sifat, they are called. Those attributes of Allah which man cannot attain. There are certain attributes of Allah which can also be attained by man. So, Ahmad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was taken to that spot which separates Allah from man. That was the maximum Ahmad sallallahu alaihi wasallam could reach. Sidra is only like a berry which indicates partition from outside. Like Zamindar also, they have this berry tree. What is it called? Berry tree?
English?
In Bangladesh?
Kulbrikho.
Kulbri?
Kulbrikho. Kulgach.
I see, Kulgach.
Yeah.
Now, they indicate one boundary is finished and the other begins. So that was the maximum that Rasulullah ﷺ could reach. And this berry was not actually a tree which was high above in the heaven. It was just a symbolic thing which indicated that man's reach is the maximum you have reached.